We had a large project and 4 different components that needed to be made. And we decided that a 10-station pallet pool would provide us better automation than the robot. What the pallet pool allowed us to do is set up each one of the pallets with a different operation so that the parts move from one to the other. And when we're done, we get one of each of the 4 parts that we need for that assembly. And the machine runs for 5.5 hours. We get 4 cycles a day off, which means the machine is running 22 hours a day unmanned. The operator changes the parts from pallet to pallet, but can do that at his convenience while the machine is still producing chips. So our lot sizes got much, much smaller than they were before. And that allowed us quicker lead times to produce the parts and get them into assembly. I'm Steve Kiley. I'm the owner and founder of DesignWerkes, located here in Amesbury, Massachusetts. DesignWerkes' core market is electronic packaging with integral heat exchangers. So we deal with the amount of energy that the unit is producing and what's required to thermally conduct that energy and remove it out to keep the electronics cool. We're in the commercial transportation market, commercial aerospace, military aerospace, Army contracts. We're not only certified to build products to AS9100, we're certified to design them to AS9100. We've been able to use the Haas equipment for the past 23 years because Haas has innovated and kept up with the manufacturing technology, where the market was headed, what was needed. First with the UMCs, then with the robot packages, then with the pallet pools. So they've kept up and allowed us to continue to use their brand because they're producing the equipment that we need to be successful in today's marketplace. DesignWerkes is here located in Massachusetts, one of the most expensive places in the country to live. Yet with the current technology and the way we manufacture parts, we can be competitive with anyone, anywhere in the world.